this video we move to the number 7. After the last video, we talk about the basic example for use case diagram. This video we talk about the extension notation. So from the symbol, it's just like you can see it's as our empty head of the arrow, but we will combine this less than this symbol, and ones are the tunnel and the double hyphen. The hyphen we can test is whether we can use multiple or more or less hyphens, but these will build such kind of this arrow type. So I would like to share with you is there's a certain mapping. So this is this type of the arrow we used as our extension meaning in use case diagram. If you're mapping to the class diagram within UML, there's our generalization relationship used within the class diagram. And if you are familiar with Archimate language, within Archimate, they also retrieve the original meaning and make our specialization relationship in Archimate language standard. So let's see that, and we can draw this, and I will also test together with you about the direction of the line and the arrow. So first of all is let's see, so UML class diagram generalization. So you can see from here. So here is I think it's from the generalization in UML. So you can see here. So that is in the class diagram. You can use this way, and now we use this kind of the arrows to show the what we code here is the extension in of use case diagram. And also this is let me put this in of mind map. Then we can later on you can go back to here. And also from here, so the open group publication, so I also gave you the link here. So according for the relationship in Archimate, actually we have the other chapter later on from this non-UML diagram. One of the chapter is the Archimate diagram. We can also draw that from our PlantUML tool, but from the language the standard, you can see here within Archimate, there's a 4 type of the relationship group. One is structure and dependency, dynamic, and also there's some other relationship. On the other relationship, we have those specialization. So we can read from here. So let me come to this one. So other. The specialization relationship represent that an element is a particular kind of another element. This relationship is inspired by the generalization relationship in UML class diagram, but is applicable to specialize a wider range of concepts. So the notation itself is exactly the same as what we are now talking about the extension. So that is the relationship. So when you learn more the diagramming approaches, you can see they have a certain relationship. On those relationships, sometimes we call that is a meta model of meta model. But now within this 2.7, let's draw within the use case diagram for the extension. So if one actor or one use case extends another one, you can use the symbol of this one. So that means is when you extend, you will have our specialized, or you can see that is you have our kind of, if you treat user as a class, then the min admin is those instance. So This normally is this arrow is to this generalized element, and the link end of the line will go to this specialized element. So that is our the rule for using this one. So let's come to our demo. So I think we already used that for some of the other things, but let's try to put this into 2.7. Let's create two actor to the use case. So first is we have the mean. Use the colon, the user as u, and then mean the mean. So if you have this pair of the columns, you don't need this underscore and don't need the double quotes. So, MA. So S is admin. So ADM. And we create our use case. So use case is first is a star as ST, and use the application as use. So I'm not sure is why here is used this double the parentheses. So that should not be used. So let me see. I can do the preview. So I got that. So what if I put this into the parentheses? I think it's not takes effect. So, but I don't think it's we need. So you can try to see here. So, and then we can link is user with the min admin. So min admin is our specialized of user. So that means you extend the user to min admin. So then that is coming from the from admin is the specialized. Then that's the end of the line. And the user is the generalized, then that is the end of this arrow. So user, you have you and the less than sign, and with this the tunnel. With this you is not work, so ADM. So with that is we have this one. But let's change this, whether it's able to change to here, more than. So you can see now is you can change this direction if the arrow come to the left. Then that will be the go up. If you go make that right is go down. But remember is we can have this left to right direction. If we do like this, then this arrow direction will be same to your definition. Actually, you can define the two direction this extension, but we need to stick on the meaning. So admin is our extension of user. So that is the meaning for this relationship. Is need is coming from user, and get is the specialist to specialized to the min admin. So that is also is a star. Then is go to the another extension to the use. The application, then that's also you can use the ST, and then with this, then go to the use. So then we have that one, and now we are using this left to right direction. So this will be in the horizontal. But how about the additional if I put 1 hyphen is just is back to the short, most short, but is to the another 90-degree difference. But if I have further, then same effect is you can keep making the line longer. But normally, so we use this double hyphen is enough. So let's remember is if one actor or use case extends another one, you can use the symbol of this one to do the extension, and the extension is the point to the one that which is the more generalist. So I hope you learn this for the extension in the use case, and later when we learn the class diagram and when we draw the Archimate diagram, we may connect this to those two type of the usage for the different meaning. A little difference always inherit from this one, but use the same, exactly same notation. So I believe it's the symbol when we draw in another diagram will be exactly same. But again, now is when you make our diagram, it's not just like draw a picture. Every diagram is a talk or story, which you want to transfer some information to stakeholders. So every connection, every direction, and type of the arrows now, you need to pay attention to the real meaning. So then is I hope you get some idea about this extension. Next video is we go to 2.8 to talk about the nodes. We already talked a lot of the nodes usage in sequence diagram. Now let's see how the usage in the use case diagram, and you can see slightly difference the drawings in such kind of the diagram type. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.